white ambulance. Blue police car. A red fire truck. Yellow school bus. Red and blue car. Green truck. Green flatbed truck. Blue truck. Blue tractor. Blue truck. Blue and yellow dump truck. Road. Here comes the blue police car. Here comes the white ambulance. Here comes a red race car. Here comes a green flatbed truck. Here comes a blue and yellow dump truck. Here comes a yellow school bus. And here comes a red fire truck. Green squishy ball. Green, orange. Green, orange. White police SUV. Yellow squishy. Yellow. Yellow tractor. Blue squishy. Blue, green. Blue, green. Blue Jeep. Orange squishy. Orange. Muddy off-road truck. Let's see what we get inside. We get a food truck. We also get this super fashionable doll. We get 2 shelves, cash register, 2 cupcake chairs. They're chairs, but they look like cupcakes. How fun is that? We get 2 little pots of coffee. We get 2 little cups for coffee with little plates for the cups. Here's the second one. And we get 4 adorable, super tiny cupcakes. Now let's take a closer look inside the food truck. The first thing I noticed about the truck was when you push the steering wheel, music plays. It sounds a lot like the ice cream truck. But it's a food truck. The top opens up and there's a super cute picture of donuts and coffee. And then this part comes down and it turns into a table. And on the table, it looks like we already have some yummy food. Some yummy sandwiches, coffee, and a croissant. Sound delicious. This back part also opens up. And back here we have some jams and cookies. And this is where our doll can go inside and make a cup of coffee for her customers. Inside, on the other side, we have a coffee maker and some more shelves down here to store our stuff. So, let's place everything where it should be. Starting with these adorable cupcake chairs. We'll place those right here. The cash register can be here. Here we have these adorable shelves on which we can place or display our cupcakes. Let's place our pink cupcakes on top and the blue ones on the bottom. That looks adorable, whoops, and delicious. We can display those right here. Here is the coffee cup, and here is the other one, along with our pots of coffee. Let's fill her up. Coffee, anyone? Yes, please. Cupcake, anyone? Yes, please. Now let's ring you up. That'll be $22.53, please. And thank you. This is a really cool feature. This part comes out, so the seat adjusts for our doll to fit inside. So, here we go. Perfect! She fits right in. When we are done for today, we're going to simply put all our stuff away into the truck, along with the chairs. Don't forget the chairs. Whoopsies. Close the back. Close the top. And drive off. Until the next day.